see her setup, they use 2 in 1 with an aisle in the middle, a bigger aisle in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
That's the smoking, or this is the smoking? This is
Finish the excavation
Hmm.
this Monday. Probably take them about an hour.
Free-floating RF cloud.
What they doing, just digging out one big hole?
Yeah, they're supposed to dig it out
Rick.
one day.
Yeah, who's doing the
Other Rick. Need the Arcos you have in your case.
Oh, okay.
The nice thing though about this is there's no wireless.
Mm-hmm.
Still take it over there, right?
Kate just located a RF cloud floating here.
Sheet of plywood there.
RF cloud.
Yep.
See, this is an RF meter. It measures RF, which is like radio frequencies.
Oh, he gets that.
So the cloud
I mean, I couldn't think of
decreases,
anything else that
increases, decreases,
when we started out, just
Looking out the window straight
decreases,
across and see what you see.
we're not actually
but it
buying
decreases
tickets
close
for
to
it.
the window.
Right.
Look at that decrease. And then
Those are the anomalies we look for. Free-floating
And
clouds
I
that
mean,
can't be attributed.
It could just be something weird with the way it's designed, that just that frequency is higher in that area.
Okay.
But you take pictures and you look at it and check it out.
I actually have to deal with this as well. Once we boot this up, we'll switch it over into.
Nice little. Now, what is the Arcos?
It is basically the iPad made by the French.
Oh, okay.
It means it's affordable and it's adaptable. It's got the Android op system on it.
Oh, okay.
This actually might be something coming from out the window. And it's,
Yeah, because the state may have a whole bunch of radio antennas around here pushing a lot of
there's
RF.
a drop. I have to look into it.
Takes a second to boot up. Once it's like cold booted.
That's it. Ruin your RF meter.
Okay. Standard fare.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else. You can do everything that so it's got the media tablet. But our key apps are here. This one is like Android. It records. It's got the built-in microphone for that. And you can do waveform analysis on the fly in here. And then we have this one. This is the other bit we love. Full audio spectrum analysis. Right here on hand. Infrasonic spikes. That's usually attributed to paranormal activity. So we've been locating like higher spikes. Even when it's quiet, you see the high infrasound. Or waveform up here.
Right.
Decibel. But you get that. Hold this for a second. You're running out of hands. The other adaptation that you saw is the low light camera, but also the adapter here. And this is a sensor from EMF meters. Same program. Take this, plug it in here. Oh. Now it's an EMF meter. It picks up everything. You see the hertz spectrum that it's on, and you can see the sine wave for the electricity. Everything you're going through. One of those devices where you can't decide what you want to use it for in the field.
You know, as you continue working with it, then you find out the specialty that works the best for it. And
So far, I love this mode the best. I can get through this. If you see, like, we're out of hands. If you see the infrasound spike really high, and you can't attribute it to anything.
that's the red spectrum.
Yep.
Okay. But this is recording as it's taking a reading.
It's active right now.
It's
So
not recording, but
it just, that's where we come in. Like, it's like, okay, I'm finding something over here, and we head in that direction.
the thing I hate though is like I try and demonstrate that to people, and as I'm trying to explain what to look for with the spike, it's like I'm talking for the spike. And when I'm not talking,
And the other thing that I have right here that I've been monitoring since we got on board is electrostatic energy. Calculates all static right in the immediate area. Microvolts. It'll tell you which direction to go once the circuits tell you. It's like, okay, it's got enough data, then it'll tell you. And this is one of those things I was telling you about. We use the black light with it.
that is a photo I've never seen in my life today.
What did you shoot?
destroy myself. An accident. That was me going to my flash.
It's spiking right now around here.
Heavy spikes.
Contractor with the propane contractor coming to start. They doing just the foundation, the footers, or they bring all the brickwork too that needs to be done?
Where's Jonathan?
Jonathan?
He has what I'm looking for.
Oh, okay.
Jonathan!
Concrete
Come here,
footers.
Jay.
Okay. Oh, the concrete floor. Oh, the concrete floor. Okay.
Look at that line again.
Any airspace under the floor?
Yep.
Just a slab on the ground. Okay. What type is it? Is it going to be baseboard or?
It's like a shaft.
You have the EMF meter, can you please?
What about it?
Switch it on and use it.
Take one of these.
You have two hands, you have two instruments. You're good.
I got a third.
You can put it in your pocket.
You don't really need a flashlight, Jay.
Alright, what you want to do is, you see that arrow that's on it, Jay?
Yeah.
That's the axis. So, if there's a noise coming from here, you want to have the access points at it. Alright? What's the reading on it? Oh, okay. Oh. Someone's cell phone's updating?
But that isn't.
What
But
is
no,
that?
there's a free floating cloud right there too. It's infrasonic and it's getting right there. That's a cell phone.
I just shut mine off if that makes any difference.
That's what that noise was. That was actually picks up the EM and RF at the same time.
Okay, right.
It's usually-
I canceled it. Okay, right. You're going to get an interference. Okay.
Yeah, and it's usually not a big deal because it's like we can
We can
recognize it
I
and
figured
scan it
you would.
out.
That's why I shut it off on
Yep.
purpose to see if
That's
it picks
the-
up a whack a pulse.
Yeah, that whole is a cell phone update. That's why I was like, okay, that's cell phone, and we can move on. But there's a strange cloud that's floating here. We had the one back there, the RF cloud, just floating in between the two the two seats. And then we'll get this up here. We're
It's
gonna.
that whining noise. That's something. Actually, we've gotten a couple times when we get the high ultrasound spikes.
That's me shutting down.
At least there's no wireless internet. Wireless internet is annoying. It's kind of like gunfire clicking.
Really?
It sounds like a Tommy gun going off. It's still infrasonic spike. Right in the same area too.
Hold on. Get to where it's loudest and let me bring this over to it.
The advantage of that is you can see the green is what we can hear. Like when you put the spike.
Mm-hmm.
Which is good because I was worried that the statics and the screeching might affect the ultrasound.
No. You'll see it when you get that spike again. It's cell phone too, but
I'm not try mine. So.
Yeah, it could be this.
I don't know. It's not connected to any wireless networks.
No.
We haven't been able to find any wireless networks.
there aren't any on the fairgrounds that we can find, at least within range.
That actually surprises me that this.
Verizon's got a truck out here that's a wireless relay station, but I don't know if they have it energized. They got it plugged in, drawing power off the house here.
Yeah, we
Right.
scanned for Wi-Fi, trying to leech some internet earlier, and we can't find anything.
I don't think if they have it turned on.
Not
Yeah.
right now.
What would a Verizon wireless relay center? They would just give off the clicks like the cell phones do, right?
Yep, it would sound like the Tommy guns.
Let's look at that. That's really loud.